Hi guys, as you can see I am in the exhibition centre, or on the grounds of the exhibition centre, and I'll be working there tomorrow. Well, I'm working there today, but tomorrow is the first day of the show and it is so hot today. There's no aircon inside. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have some aircon, but yeah, it's pretty good. Got some good staff. And they speak English, and yeah, it's really good. And people are still very, very nice and kind here. It's just overwhelming. But yeah, enjoying it so far, and it's dirt cheap for everything. Okay, guys, so there's a thunderstorm going on, and I thought to myself, wow, that's really loud. It's like I'm actually in the thunderstorm. And I turned back the curtain, and this is what I found. Look at that. Look at that. There's water everywhere. There's thunderstorms all over the place.